Hey, this is Doug Mann. Just want to give a short update here. I've actually got one of the window motors running off the half by sequential circuit, Bedini cold circuit, and you can see here the schematic that I'm using. Not really using much of any recovery type effort here other than tying the full wave bridge rectifier back into the positive and negative of the battery. So I just have it self-looped at this time. I hadn't done any real serious recovery efforts, just trying to get it running, and you can see here that I got it going. I had reduced the voltage that I was using on this particular setup. I was using the drill batteries, and it's just too much for the setup that I have. I find a little transformer off of one of my kids' toys. It's a 5-volt 3-amp transformer, and I have here written down what the amp draw is on this particular setup is 130 milliamps, but I'll hold this steady over the actual schematic if you want to take a look at that. As far as the power winding here, I actually have there's 10 29 gauge wires in parallel there, so you can actually add more wires in parallel than what's there in the schematic. And I had a lot of issues with this top PNP getting really hot, and that's why I had to reduce the voltage. It was either do it that way, or I could probably do multiple circuits with the amount of power wires that I had. I just decided to go with this for now, just to see it running, to get it running with this particular circuit. I also set the little micro window motor on top, and you can see there I don't have anything hooked up to that. That's just the magnetic coupling or linking there, and it's spinning up pretty good. The motor's probably doing I'd say between 700 and 900 RPMs as it is. If I set it up with the reed switching, it would probably do between 13 to 14. 13 to 1400 RPMs. So but that's what I got. I guess we're getting a little closer to a true Bedini cold window motor, and once I get it set up the way I want, I'll probably get some energy recovery efforts going from there.